My Reuben sandwich is one I like to make when I have leftover corned beef. Layering all that corned beef and sauerkraut and ultimately all that Jarlsberg Swiss makes every bite a delight. I hope you enjoy. Welcome everyone to Cindy Certified Recipes. I've spent decades collecting only time-tested, exceptional recipes that are too good to keep to myself. I'll be sharing with you great recipes from restaurants in our travels, Disney recipes that no longer grace the parks, and a few that still do, and cracking open my family fave heirloom recipes handed down over the generations. You might also pick up some tips and tricks along the way, or see some gadgets you gotta have. All in all, I hope you find this journey fun and exciting, and consider subscribing, lighting up that like button, checking that notification bell, so you're kept in the loop for more of my time-tested, talk-of-the-table recipes. I hope you enjoy my ultimate Reuben sandwich. This is a great way to use up that leftover corned beef from St. Patrick's Day. So until next time, when I bring you another time-tested, talk-of-the-table recipe,